Hi, boys and girls. It's me, Mrs. Daniels, and I just wanted to pop in and give some explanation to some of your activity for this week. Just as a reminder, we only attend technology once a week, so I will only be posting one lesson per week on Monday mornings, and the lesson will open up at 8 a.m., and then you have all week to complete it. And luckily for us, we've already been using Google Classroom this whole for majority of the school year. So we are very familiar with the expectations and how to use it and things like that. But if you have any questions, if your parents have any questions, feel free to send me a private message here on Google, or you can email me. And my email is joelle.daniels@somersetnv.org. And all that information is on our school website as well. So we're going to continue on with our classwork activities that we are kind of accustomed to doing anyways when we come to technology. So you're going to make sure that you click on classwork at the top, and we are on lesson 20. We're focusing on mouse skills. So just like any other technology class, I would recommend you practicing your typing, and Typing Club is still available for everyone to use. And remember, when you click on Typing Club, click on Ed Club, and you're going to make sure that you log in using Clever, and then log in using your Google Classroom, and it might ask you for your school name. So just put Somerset Aliante, and it should pop up, and you'll click on that. And then if you do 1 or 2 typing lessons a week, that's perfect. We just want to keep on practicing with our typing, which is really important now that we have our home learning, that most of our activities are online. So you're going to probably be typing a lot more this for the majority of the school year that we're at home, okay? So after you do some typing practice can happen at any time. When you have some downtime, you have nothing else to work on, and your parents want you to work on something, Typing Club is a great alternative for you to use, okay? And then after that, we have match computer parts. So if you click on that, you will see the box pop up, and it will take you to the website where this is just a matching activity where you have pictures of some computer parts and then the names that go along with some of these computer parts, and then you'll just click and match them, okay? And the pictures do change, so if you were to refresh this, it would be in a different order and some different icons that we are used to using, okay? And then once you do the activity, you just have to do it one time. You can click on the small X, the small window. And then the second activity is the one where I'm going to count to see what you're doing and how you're doing with the activity. So you are coloring the mouse. So it says follow the color code to color the mouse. Once you complete the activity, make sure that you turn it in as your participation grade for technology this week. So remember, down here in the box, it should say your name. You'll click on that box, and it's going to open up a Google slide. And let's just be patient and let it load. Okay, so it says to fill in the part of the mouse, you're just going to click on the part and then click on the paint bucket icon, and then click on the color that you want, and it should fill in that shape. So for number 1, it says fill in the left click button blue. So you'll find the left click button, which should be easy because we use that all the time. And you'll click in that section, and then you'll click the paint bucket at the top right here where it says fill color, and then you'll just choose blue. It doesn't have to be a specific blue as long as it's a blue color, and then it will color that piece in. And then you'll do that for the remainder of the numbers. And then as a challenge, if you want a little challenge, it says to add a text box for each part and label the mouse. So to do that, come up here where there is a T with a box around it. That's our text box. And then you'll click and drag a box as big as you want it to be so that you can type in there. And then, for example, this one is just left click. Okay. And then once you complete the task, you make sure that up here you should have a gray box that says turn in. Make sure that you turn it in, okay? And that's it for today's lesson, boys and girls. If you have any questions, feel free to message me.